I'm going to be making some crack burgers today. Take a look at this. Wow. Got jalapenos, got ranch seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and make the crack sauce that we're going to put on this, and I want to chill it a little bit. So let's get it made. We're just going to use about a half a cup of some mayonnaise and some sour cream. Just going to throw a couple spoonfuls in. And I've already cooked up some bacon here on the Blackstone, and I'm just going to take a couple of these and we're just going to break that up in here. One more.
Yeah.
Then I've got some spicy brown mustard. Love this stuff. Just going to go ahead and put some of this right in. A couple of teaspoons maybe. And I'm going to use some ranch dressing. Or ranch seasoning, the dry powdered stuff. Good amount. Teaspoon or two. What do you think?
Good.
And I'm going to add a little habanero Tabasco hot sauce. Just a dab of that. What do you think?
That's fine.
And we're also going to add a little cheese. Just a little bit.
Because we're also going to top the burger with cheese too.
Yep. This is going to be the sauce that goes on top. Or when it's done, because I don't go totally by recipes, we're going to be using a little cow cover. Little Okie smoking style here. And we're going to be using a little Jolly Rogers. And both of these, I believe, are 0 carbs. This has some jalapeno and garlic. And this is just going to be a spread. There we go. I'm just going to put a lid on this, refrigerate it. Of course, I think this will be enough for what we need. All right, so as you see in here, we got about 3 strips of bacon in this bowl. And we got about a pound of ground 80/20 hamburger meat we're gonna put in the bowl. And because we like it a little spicy, something I haven't seen, I'm sure they have it, I didn't see any cracked peppers with this, but we're gonna add that. And then we're just gonna mix, cracked burger, yeah. So we're gonna mix this all up.
So this is actually going to be a burger, not like a smasher burger.
Yep, this is the standard style of burger. They're not all the same size, but they look pretty good.
They approve.
Then we're just going to go ahead and take some of this ranch seasoning right here. Followed with a little cow cover. And those are ready to go on, so I'm going to get the Blackstone preheated. I'll see you out there. We'll go ahead and get these cooked. I put them over here and I turn this side down. We're going to be getting some buns heated on this side, and we're just going to let these cook. You probably keep hearing planes because I'm by Tinker, and they're literally just circling above this house. So now what I did with these buns is I went ahead and you could use butter. I like mayo. I just added some mayo to them. And we're just going to cook them on the low side. Yeah, that's what we're dealing with non-stop out here. Right by Tinker Air Force Base, so keep an eye on these. Looking good. Just got done cooking the bacon on here a little bit ago, so we still got some bacon grease on it while we're cooking up these patties. Now that I got a good sear, I'm gonna go ahead and flip them. Yeah. Woo. Get that other side seared up now. So if you're new here, this is what we do right here. My name is John. Cook Out Back right here in my backyard. Griddle, smoked food, that kind of thing. It's almost springtime. Probably another cold spell or two. We'll be out of the woods here in Oklahoma maybe in a month or so. And yeah, it's backyard cooking all summer long, all season long. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, look at that golden brown. Almost there. Look at that. Yep. Got some Kobe Jack cheese here. And that is my version of a spicy crack burger. Jalapenos, cheese, and that ranch seasoning and bacon, of course. So let's go ahead and I went ahead and as you saw, cook these. We're just going to go ahead and put that there and use this mix that we made. That's after it's been chilled. And it's also, of course, got bacon. I think I use this, the crack sauce. I'm just going to take some of that right there. Spread that out a little bit. Yeah. And then we'll just take one of these patties, place right on top. Maybe a slice of lettuce.
Tomatoes.
Couple of little bitty miniature tomatoes right on top. And then put the top bun on. How's that look?
Looks good.
Looks real good. Actually, a matter of fact, little pickle spear for the side. Gonna give me a good thumbnail shot right there. All right.
How are you gonna eat that? It looks too big for the mouth. I'll smash it up.
Right there it is. Let's go ahead and give it a go. See if it's spicy. Good, good, good. Look at that. Yeah, that's fantastic. I kind of know why they call this crack now. It is addicting. All right. Once again, a crack cheeseburger right here. See you next time.